So the video from class is probably a little longer than it needs to be. I don't think kids will watch videos that are 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes long. They might watch a 2 or 3 minute video, and so I'm going to try and sum up some of the things we talked about in class today in just 2 or 3 minutes. So the first thing I want to talk about is a number line. And basically I want to be able to make clear how we can place values accurately on a number line. So the first thing I want you thinking about when you have a number line is, what are my endpoints? So we've been talking a lot about 0 and 1,000,000. And for some of you, this isn't too hard at all, but for others, this is a little bit difficult. So I'm going to make it a little bit more simple by going all the way back to the beginning and starting with a number line that's a little bit easier, which is 0 and 10. Now, if I asked you to place numbers on a number line like 0 and between 0 and 10, most of you could do it. And the way you would start is by finding the middle, because you know halfway between 0 and 10 is 5. And you should do the same thing up above. Find the middle, and then ask yourself, what's half of 1,000,000? Some people might struggle with that. And if you are one of the people that struggles with that, what you can do is you can just start going 10, what's half of that? 5. 100, what's half of that? 50. And you just keep going down the line until you get to the number you're looking for. There's 1,000,000, so half of that is this much. I split it into 3-digit groups, 500,000, and so I would put that here. And then based on this, I can make other benchmark lines on my number line, and that's going to help me out in terms of placing these numbers accurately. So some people like to use quarter lines. They like to go, well, this is a quarter, so that's going to be 750,000. And this is a quarter, so that's going to be 250,000. But other people don't really like those numbers. And so for a lot of people, what they've been liking to do is just to take this section here and split it into 5 spots, each one being 100,000. So that's going to take a bit of work to be doing accurately, but that's pretty close. So this would be 100,000. 200,000, 300,000, 400,000, and that would be 500,000. Then you're going to go something like this. That would be 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1,000,000. And from here it gets fairly easy to place any number. Now you guys were thinking about 625, so 625 is going to go somewhere in this area. It's not quite 6.5. So it's a little less. 625,000 would be right there. 900,000 would be here. I think we had an 875. That would be, go to 8.5. Go a little further. That would be 875,000. And then we had a 75,000. And that goes way over here. It's not even at 100,000. And we thought some people might make a mistake and put it over here, thinking it was 750,000. So you need to be careful. And again, the best strategy for that, line your numbers up. If I had 1,000,000 and I need to place 75,000 on a 1,000,000 number line, I need to see that these numbers are not close in size, that it's not at the millions place, it's not even at the hundreds, thousands place. So hopefully that helps with a question like this.